Hello, I am Ahmedullah. This is my second project of CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript named Commerce. In this video, I am demonstrating the web application. The first specification is models. The web application should have at least 3 models in addition to the user model. From this model, one for auction listing, one for bids, and one for comments. Additionally, we can create one for was list and one for category. Secondly, the create listing page. By clicking on the create listing page, we'll go to the create listing page to create a new listing. In this create listing page, we can create a new list by typing the title of the listing and then description of the listing and starting URL of the image, and then by category, by clicking on the submit, we can create a new listing. Then active listing page. We can see all active listing page in this application, and this page will show all of the currently active listing. Here each listing shows the title, the description, and the image and the price of the listing. Here you can see all the listing and its corresponding price and description. Then we will show you the listing page. From this active listing page, we can click on an item, then it will show the listing page for that item. By clicking on the mobile, and we can see the page for mobile. In this page, the user is signed in, the user can add the item to their watch list. We can add the item to our watch list by clicking on add to watch list. And if I click on add to watch list, it will show the mark watch list. Bid must be at least as large as the starting bid. If the bid is less than the starting bid, it will show an error message. If I type 400 and click place bid, it will show an error message that value should be greater than or equal to 900. If I type a value that greater than from 900, like 950, and click on place bid, and it will update the bid for me is 950. The owner of the listing can close the auction from this page by clicking on close bidding. Because I am the owner of the listing, so I can close the bidding. Highest bidder will be the winner, and users can add comments to their listing. And like if I type nice mobile, then it will save the comment for this listing. You can see the comment. Then I'll show you the watch list. User also who are signed in should be able to visit a page by clicking on watch list. It will show us the watch list page, and this page displays all of the listing that a user has added to their watch list. And here you can see I have added two item in my watch list. One is laptop and one is mobile. Then I'll show you the categories. By clicking on categories, it will visit a page that displays a list of all categories. In this category list, you can see all the categories: books, like electronics, fashions, food and beverages. By clicking on a category and then submit button, if I click, and it will show all the listing for that category, like laptop, mobile, and all are the in electronics categories. By via the Django admin interface, a site administrator should be able to view, add, edit, and delete any listing, comment, and bids. If I type /admin, then it will show a page for admin interface. I can modify any comments or categories by clicking in this page. If I add a category, I can add by clicking add. Like, and if I type cook, then add it will save the category for me. Thank you everyone.